How to change TikTok username before 30 days. So if you want to change your TikTok username before 30 days, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom. Now, if you go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and go with settings and privacy. But before that, you can just simply go with edit and then try to edit your username. And it says that you need to wait for at least 30 days once you've changed your username. So there's no option on TikTok to change username before 30 days. But what you can do is go back, go with the three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right, and then go with settings and privacy. Now you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the help center option. Under help center, you need to go with report a problem. And from there, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with need more help. Now here you just need simply go and select unable to change username, or just simply enter, type in unable to change username, and TikTok live support or TikTok support will help you on how you can change your username. But if you're not satisfied with your result, then you can just simply go with contact an agent, which will be in the bottom. Go with submit a ticket, and here you can describe your issue briefly. So you just need simply write that I want to change my TikTok username before 30 days, so please help me with that problem, and then go with submit, which will be in the bottom. And after that, within a few hours or within a few days, you'll receive a mail from TikTok, or you will receive some help from TikTok on how you can change it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.